Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Many times you have more peppers than you can use sitting in your fridge. And if you don't use them right away, they will be good for the garbage. Or you grew them in your garden and ended up with way too many for your own consumption. By using this trick, you can salvage and enjoy them for months to come. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Just like we usually do, we'll prep the peppers by removing the stems and then the seeds with the ribs. When we're done cleaning them, we'll slice them either in strips, also known as julienne, or simply in pieces. Next, we'll lay them down on a silicone mat or a parchment paper, making sure the strips or pieces don't touch. We'll transfer them to the freezer until they are completely frozen. A couple hours should do it. After that, we'll just have to transfer them to a resealable freezer bag and place them back in the freezer until needed.
As you saw in this video, not only is there no waste, but you can also have them anytime. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!